Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dot, and we have an unboxing. If you are new, welcome, and I hope you see or hear something that intrigues you, and I invite you to return. You can return by subscribing, and you're notified when I upload a new video. Those of you who are subscribers, I want to say thank you. You are so appreciated. Let's get into this. Our friends at Dooney. I've been waiting for this package for quite a while, and I am excited about opening her. So I already got started and just took the tape off so I could just rip it off and get into the box. So I haven't seen it yet. Of course, I know what I ordered, but I haven't opened the box yet. So here we are. This I ordered the bucket bag, the red and the Luca, and when it came, I really didn't like it. I don't like the long strap, so I'm sending that back. And then in place of that, I ordered this satchel, and look at her. Look at her. I wanted to get this. I've been looking for a light pink bag, but when this fuchsia popped up, I said I have to. I just have to get it and see what she looks like. I'm just gonna tear into her. It didn't take long for this one to come. To the contrary, the bucket bag, it took weeks in order for that bag to come, for me to just say, okay, I don't really like it. But let me tell you why I went with this satchel. And the main reason is I am a sucker for a pocket. I love a pocket. Now, this is a small pocket. I probably can't fit much in it, but I just love that it had one in the front, and it also have a pocket in the back. This is my first of this style of bag from Dooney. So we're going to see how I like it. I've been watching so many of the videos. I was between the Florentine, and I still like that one, but I'm going to try this first, and then maybe I will get a Florentine later. It has feet. It has 4 feet. It has the gold hardware here, the buckles, the round loops here, which I love, and the back has a pocket in the back as well. This is more like a pebble leather. It has the tassels on the side. Let me just take one of those. Oh, look at that. I love that. And let's just see what the inside looks like. Dooney zippers, look, you cannot compete with that. You see the opening here. We have the strap, the crossbody strap. Oh, look at how thick that clasp is here. That is, wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I do like this strap. Unlike the drawstring bag that I purchased, it was the vachetta leather on one side, and then I ordered it in red, the red on the outside, which I didn't prefer that. So a dust bag, a Dooney dust bag here. And let's see, lots of packaging. I'm just going to take that out so we can get into her. She has on the, I would say the back, there is a zipper pocket and a slip pocket here. So you have 2 pockets on the back. Let's see if I can open that, see if you can see it a little better. It's the zipper. And then that's the open pocket. And then on the front, there are more pockets. There is one pocket. You can put your phone in that. And then there is another pocket there. You have the clasp, which is in this gunmetal material, which is interesting. I wonder why they don't match that with the metal on the outside of the bag, but that's fine. Has a little of the leather and the gunmetal clasp. So I think this is a perfect size for me, and I guess what I wanted to do, I've just been, I don't know, I'm new with this one, so I guess what I wanted to do is to eventually come down, I guess after use. Is that how it happens? After use or something? I don't know if you have to do something to make it. But I really like this bag. I don't have thoughts of returning her at all. So that means, that's a good sign, because that means I probably will not. And the stitching is, I don't think that's white. That's more like a light tan color. Not sure how I'm going to accessorize her. I think for the summer, I think I'm going to use my deco print accessories with her. And I'll probably add to my collection some other fuchsia items that Dooney has. But for now, yes, I'm loving her. I can't wait to see what I have to try to dress her up. And I'm going to try to move into her pretty quickly and see how it works. All right, everyone. There she is. There she is, and I'm loving her. All right, we'll talk to you later. I'm out of here. I'm just speechless, but I love the color. I love the size. The leather is awesome. So I think I made a good purchase here. Let me know what you think. Do you have this one? And if so, how do you accessorize it? Or drop your video or something in here. I would love to see it. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.